The title of our project is Performance Investigation of High Gain Single Switch Transformerless DC-DC Converter. These are all the contents included in this PPT. The objective of our project is to design and implement a DC-DC converter with high gain single switch and to reduce the voltage stress and increase efficiency. This is the block diagram of our converter. It shows a DC supply, high gain DC-DC converter and a DC load. This is the circuit diagram. This is the on mode diagram. In this mode, the switch is on and the diodes D1, D2, D4, D6 on and other diodes are off, and the inductors L1, L2, L3 charges and the capacitors C1, C3 charges and other capacitors discharges. This is the off mode diagram. In this mode, the switch off and the diode D1, D2, D4, D6 off and other diodes are on. The L1, L2, L3 inductors are discharging and the capacitor C1, C3 discharges and other capacitors are charges.
These are the switching waveforms of our converter. This is the voltage gain equation. Our voltage gain is 4 by 1 minus d the whole square. These are the design parameters. They are obtained by using KVL and KCL in volt second balance and current second balance equations. These are the specifications of our converter. This is the MATLAB open loop simulation, and the output of our MATLAB open loop simulation is 193.2 volt. This is the output voltage waveforms obtained in MATLAB simulation. These are the inductor current waveforms in MATLAB simulation. This is the open loop observation made by varying the duty cycle from 0.1 to 0.7.
Hardware prototype of our proposed converter. This is a hardware setup of our converter. This is the hardware results that is obtained from hardware prototype. These are the diode voltage waveform. This is the switching voltage waveform. This is the inductor current waveform. This is the hardware observation. Here we vary the input voltages and compare the theoretical and practical values. This is the closed loop MATLAB simulation circuit diagram, and this is the source variation, and this is the load variation of our converter. This is the closed loop waveform. This comparison table, we can compare our converter with the existing converters. This is the gain comparison. Here we can compare our proposed converters gain with the other converters with duty cycle. This is the hardware setup.